So guys, everything is going well this morning. Not well, kind of. We got the semi ready to go. It's at my house. We got to get it to the farm. We're looking to cut wheat today, so we ran into a few issues last night of the truck not wanting to start. So this morning, we got it started last night. This morning I went ahead and tried to start it so we could get over there and start cutting some wheat, and I just think the batteries are dead, so instead of keep fighting it, I came up to the local Napa Know-How store. And stay tuned with me, guys. I'll try to get you of me putting the new batteries back in if they have them. If not, we'll have to probably go 35 minutes out of our way to get it. That's one way, just to get some batteries, and then we'll come back and get the batteries put in. But stay tuned. I was looking at these batteries. They're actually from 2010. I'll get you a shot of them, and let's see if Napa's got the know-how. Ta-da! New batteries. Let's get these installed. So guys, it worked. The new batteries worked. A lot of more cranking amps to get that engine rolled over. So right now I'm going to go through a little bit of a pre-trip just to get us back over to the farm. As I do that, I'm letting these airbags air up on the back of the trailer here. So I'm supplying air to the trailer right now. I released those brakes so we can get air back here. The semi itself, the tractor, still has the brakes locked, so it's not going to go anywhere. But what I'm doing right now is making sure everything's up to par, make sure we can get it down the road, make sure these airbags are going to be aired up. And check this out, look at this new rubber. Can you see it? We got rubber on all 8 wheels yesterday. We just got it swapped over. Bags are filled up. Guys, I think after I get around this truck, look how shiny this is. What? After we get around this truck here, we will be ready. Got the trap doors closed. We should be ready to roll. There's the rubber on this side. So stay tuned. Let's get the rolling, boys. Well guys, we made it to the farm. Here's our wheat field over here. Sparky Farms, he works with us. The brother, he runs his own channel off Sparky Farms, go check him out. But he's been having some trouble with the combine. Look how it is. Way bigger than what we're used to. We upgraded to a 30-foot head. It will be just immaculate whenever we start putting the wheat through it. Look how big this thing is. Can't wait to catch some content on it. So what he is actually going to do is, I think he said this PTO shaft was too long. So we need to cut it off where it matches. So our combine, the old one, and the 96, or the 7720, had the spline right here, as you can tell. So we put this adapter on it for the PTO drive. Well, now the PTO shaft's too long, so we're gonna take care of that pretty quick. And this head has not been on this combine yet, so this is all new of working with the PTO drive. And hopefully we can catch up with you and get some good content today. It's gonna be a beautiful king. Probably 96 degrees today, so that's gonna be beautiful weather to cut wheat. So we'll get Big John here, the big rig, big 9600 going, and filling Big Bird over there. I just got it parked right there for the time being, but once we start opening the field, he's gonna cut right through there and we can park in the field and we can come in and out off of it. But